हाय फ्रेंड्स, एबीपी एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपका दोस्त और होस्ट विजय। हमारे चैनल पे भी बैक टू बैक क्लासेस आ रहे हैं जो कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। हम लोग आज देखने वाले हैं टॉप 50 डिफेंस रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस जो करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड है। ये क्या हो रहा है, अभी डिफेंस का क्वेश्चन आपको पता है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो चुका है। आपको पता है डिफेंस क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यूसली हर एग्जामिनेशन में आ रहे हैं। अभी आप एसएससी जीडी एग्जामिनेशन भी देख रहे होगे, डिफेंस के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं। और ये बाकी 50 क्वेश्चन जो है पूरा करेंटली रिलेटेड है। आपको पता है करंट का वेटेज अभी कितना बढ़ गया है कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन में। आपको ये पूरा होल ईयर का आपको इसमें एमसीक्यू मिल जाएगा। वन लाइनर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, आप आराम से उसे सॉल्व करिए। मैं इसका पीडीएफ भी आपको दे दूंगा टेलीग्राम चैनल पे। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक रहेगा टेलीग्राम चैनल का, इंस्टाग्राम चैनल का और फेसबुक चैनल पर। वहां पर आप फॉलो हमें कर सकते हैं अच्छे इनपुट के लिए। ठीक है, आपका समय ना लॉस करते हुए हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। और प्लीज वीडियो को पूरा देखें और चैनल को भी लाइक करें और वीडियो को भी लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ही देंगे आप। चलिए देखते हैं। What is the name of the heavyweight torpedo flagged off by DRDO and was delivered to the Indian Navy? Varunastra. DCOS strategy is the new post to be created in which Indian Armed Force? Indian Army. Indian Navy has engaged in a PACES exercise with which country's Navy? Russia. The MRSAM medium range surface to air missile, which was test fired recently, was developed in association with which country? Israel. The fighter jets of India and which other country is to organize an exercise named Skyros, SKYROS? France. The Union Cabinet has approved the export of which missile system of India? Akash. Which defense force has proposed to acquire 12 high-performance patrol boats? Indian Army. Which arm of the Indian Army is to recruit women as pilot for the first time from next year? Army Aviation Corps. With reference to defense, what is the ASMI that was seen in the news recently? Machine pistol. With reference to DRDO, what is Rakshita, which was making news recently? Bike-based ambulance. Indian military team is to train on the S-400 air defense system in which country? Russia. What is the name of the military exercise that would involve assets of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard? Exercise Kavach. What is the AMPEX 21 that was seen in the news recently? Tri-Service Joint Exercise of India. Defense Ministry has signed a deal to procure Tejas light combat aircraft from which organization? HAL. What is the full form of HAL? Please comment below. Which company has tied up with the Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG to provide post-warranty support to the Indian Navy jets? Crown Group. What type of missile is BL SRSM? Surface to air missile. Which country is the host of the multinational exercise Desert Flag? UAE. Which organization successfully demonstrated the solid fuel ducted ramjet SFDR technology? DRDO. The Indian Army has leased 4 Heron unnamed aerial vehicles UAVs from which country? Israel. Ministry of Defense has signed an agreement with which organization to supply of 4,900 MIL in Milan to TATGMS? BDL. Samtir Orgosena 2021 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Bangladesh. Which organization has developed an advanced trap to safeguard naval ships against missile attack? DRDO. With reference to defense, what is INAS 323 that was recently commissioned? Air Squadron. Indian Navy has undertaken 31st edition of coordinated patrols or corporate with which country? Thailand. Which organization has manufactured the Advanced Light Helicopter ALH Mk3 inducted into the Indian Coast Guard ICJ recently? HAL. Who has taken over as new Vice Chief of the Air Staff on July 1, 2021? Air Marshal Bibek Ram Chaudhary. AMEX 21 is a skiing expedition conducted by which country? India. Indian Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria was recently visited which country? Israel. India recently had a virtual maritime exercise SHIELD with which country? Sri Lanka and Maldives. At which palace DEP Expo 2022 is scheduled to be held? Gandhinagar. Which country has approved the sale of Harpoon Joint Common Test Sets to India? United States of America, USA. In which state UT, Indian Air Force has built one of the world's highest mobile air traffic control towers? Ladakh. Which organization has partnered with MBDA of UK to establish a facility for the final assembly, integration and test of advanced short-range air-to-air missile ASRMM missiles in India? Bharat Dynamics Limited. In partnership with whom the 5th edition of the Defence India Startup Challenge was launched by Defence Ministry? Atal Innovation Mission. Recently, with which country India has inked a deal to procure assault rifles for the Indian Army? Russia. Which organization has manufactured the multi-mode hand grenades which was recently handed over to the Indian Army? Economic Explosives Limited. How many countries are participating in Malwa 21 naval exercise? 4. Ministry of Defence MOD had awarded the contract for Integrated Anti-Submarine Warfare Defence Suite IADS to which company? Mahindra Defence System MDS. Recently, with which country Japan has signed a deal which enables the export of Japanese-made defense equipment and technology? Vietnam. Which two countries are set to participate in the defense exercise Samudra Shakti? India and Indonesia. Which organization is set to conduct sailing, regates and soil parade to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Indian Navy. India has recently signed terms of reference for the conduct of Navy-to-Navy talks with which country? Australia. The Ajaya Warrior defense exercise is held between India and which country? UK, means Britain. Which organization delivered the heaviest ever semi-cryogenic propellant tank SC-120 LOX to ISRO, HAL? The army of which country won a gold medal at the Cambrian Patrol exercise held in UK? India. Defense Ministry signed agreement with which country to procure Mk-54 torpedo and expendables worth Rs 423 crore? USA. The new indigenous ship named ICGS Sarthak, which was recently commissioned, is said to be based at which state? Gujarat. What is the name of the surface-to-surface ballistic missile recently test fired by India? Is Agnivi. So जो वीडियो मैं लाया था ये वन लाइनर था, इसमें कोई डिटेल मैंने नहीं किया क्योंकि ये डिटेल करना ही नहीं था मुझे। ये सिंगल वन लाइनर क्वेश्चन था जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन में फ्रीक्वेंटली क्वेश्चन आते रहते हैं, ऐसा लेवल का क्वेश्चन जो डिफेंस से रिलेटेड है। इससे बाहर कुछ नहीं जाने वाला, इससे बाहर कुछ नहीं जाने वाला है। सो मैं तो कहूंगा इसे अच्छा से पढ़िए, मैं पीडीएफ भी दे दे रहा हूँ, नोट्स बना लीजिए अपना, या तो पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके जेरोक्स निकाल लीजिए, इसे अच्छे से पढ़िए, आपका काम बन जाएगा। डिफेंस से कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं छूटेगा, आप 100% मुझे विश्वास कर सकते हैं। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो 100% शेयर कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और मुझे कमेंट में जरूर बताएं कि आपका क्वेश्चन कितना सही हुआ और कितना आता था आपको। ठीक है, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स और जय हिंद।